Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money in a side hustle. First, identify your unique skills and passions, as these are your greatest assets. Next, research potential market demand for your chosen service or product. Finally, set realistic financial goals, perhaps aiming to earn an additional $500 each month to keep you motivated and focused on your progress. Many popular side hustles offer great flexibility. You could freelance your skills in areas like writing, graphic design, or virtual assistants, leveraging platforms to find clients. Alternatively, consider driving for a rideshare company or delivering food, which allows you to set your own hours. Selling handmade crafts or digital products online is another excellent way to monetize your creativity and reach a broad audience. To truly succeed, effective management is crucial. Establish a consistent schedule for your side hustle, even if it's just a few hours weekly, to ensure steady progress. Meticulously track all your income and expenses. This is vital for understanding profitability and preparing for taxes. Don't forget to actively market your services or products to attract new customers and grow your venture. Finally, understanding the financial and legal aspects is key. Be aware of tax obligations, as you'll likely receive a Form 1099 if you earn over a certain amount. It's wise to open a separate bank account for your side hustle to simplify financial tracking. Also, research if your specific business requires any local licenses or permits to operate legally and smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.